Introduction to GitLab. Features and benefits of GitLab CI/CD. GitLab has emerged as a leading platform in the realm of DevOps, providing an all-in-one solution that encompasses version control, project management, and CI/CD, continuous integration, and continuous deployment. Its comprehensive nature allows teams to manage the entire software development lifecycle within a single interface, fostering collaboration and efficiency. Among its many features, GitLab CI/CD stands out as a powerful tool that automates the processes of building, testing, and deploying applications, ultimately accelerating the delivery of high-quality software. At the core of GitLab CI/CD is the concept of pipelines, which are defined using a configuration file named .gitlabci.yml. This file resides in the root of the repository and outlines the various stages and jobs that make up the CI/CD process. Each pipeline can consist of multiple stages, such as build, test, and deploy, with each stage containing one or more jobs that execute specific tasks. This structure allows teams to create complex workflows that can be tailored to their unique development processes. One of the primary benefits of GitLab CI/CD is its seamless integration with GitLab's version control system. This integration enables automatic triggering of pipelines based on specific events, such as code commits, merge requests, or scheduled intervals. For instance, when a developer pushes code to a branch, GitLab can automatically initiate the CI/CD pipeline, running tests and builds to validate the changes. This immediate feedback loop is invaluable, as it allows developers to identify and address issues early in the development cycle, reducing the likelihood of defects making it to production. GitLab CI/CD also supports parallel execution of jobs, which can significantly enhance the speed of the overall pipeline. By running multiple jobs simultaneously, teams can reduce the time it takes to complete the CI/CD process, allowing for quicker iterations and faster delivery of features. This parallelization is particularly beneficial for large projects with extensive test suites, as it can dramatically decrease the time required for testing and validation. Another notable feature of GitLab CI/CD is its ability to manage artifacts and caching. Artifacts are files generated by jobs that can be passed between stages, such as compiled binaries or test reports. By storing these artifacts, teams can ensure that subsequent stages have access to the necessary files without needing to regenerate them. Caching, on the other hand, allows teams to store dependencies and other files that do not change frequently, reducing the time required for subsequent builds. This optimization not only speeds up the pipeline, but also conserves resources, making the CI/CD process more efficient. Security is a critical aspect of modern software development, and GitLab CI/CD incorporates several features to help teams identify and mitigate vulnerabilities. Built-in security scanning tools, such as dependency scanning, container scanning, and static application security testing, SAST, can be integrated into the CI/CD pipeline. These tools automatically analyze code and dependencies for known vulnerabilities, providing developers with actionable insights to address security issues before they reach production. By embedding security checks into the CI/CD process, organizations can adopt a proactive approach to security, ensuring that it is an integral part of their development practices. GitLab also offers comprehensive monitoring and reporting capabilities, allowing teams to track the performance of their pipelines and gain insights into their CI/CD processes. Teams can view detailed logs, analyze metrics, and identify trends to optimize their workflows. This visibility is essential for continuous improvement, as it enables teams to pinpoint bottlenecks, assess the effectiveness of their testing strategies, and make data-driven decisions to enhance their development practices. In summary, GitLab CI/CD provides a powerful and integrated solution for automating the software development lifecycle. Its features, such as pipeline as code, seamless integration with version control, parallel job execution, artifact management, and robust security measures, empower teams to deliver high-quality software more efficiently. By leveraging GitLab CI/CD, organizations can enhance collaboration, reduce time to market, and improve overall software quality, positioning themselves for success in an increasingly competitive landscape. Common pitfalls in GitLab pipelines. While GitLab CI/CD offers a robust framework for automating software delivery, teams may encounter several common pitfalls that can hinder their success. Recognizing these challenges is crucial for optimizing CI/CD processes and ensuring smooth operations. One of the most prevalent pitfalls is the complexity of the .gitlab.ci.yml configuration file. As teams add more stages, jobs, and conditions to their pipelines, the configuration can become convoluted and difficult to manage. This complexity can lead to errors, such as misconfigured jobs or incorrect dependencies between stages. To mitigate this risk, teams should strive for simplicity in their pipeline definitions. Breaking down complex processes into smaller, more manageable jobs can help maintain clarity. Additionally, leveraging GitLab's built-in features, such as templates and includes, can help organize the configuration file and promote reusability. Another common issue is the lack of proper testing within the CI/CD pipeline. Some teams may overlook the importance of running comprehensive tests, leading to undetected bugs and issues in production. It is crucial to incorporate various types of tests, including unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests, into the pipeline to ensure that code changes are thoroughly validated. Furthermore, teams should prioritize running tests in parallel to optimize pipeline performance and reduce feedback time. This approach not only speeds up the testing process, but also enhances the overall quality of the software being delivered. Resource management is another area where teams can encounter challenges. GitLab CI/CD pipelines can consume significant resources, especially when running multiple jobs or using resource-intensive tasks. If not managed properly, this can lead to slow pipeline execution and increased costs, particularly in cloud environments. To address this, teams should monitor resource usage and optimize their jobs by using caching, limiting the number of concurrent jobs, and selecting appropriate runners based on the resource requirements of their tasks. Implementing resource quotas and limits can also help prevent resource exhaustion and ensure that the CI/CD process runs smoothly. Security vulnerabilities can pose a significant risk if not adequately addressed within the CI/CD pipeline. While GitLab provides built-in security scanning features, teams may neglect to configure these tools or fail to act on the findings. It is essential to integrate security checks into the pipeline and establish a process for reviewing and addressing vulnerabilities. This proactive approach ensures that security is prioritized throughout the development lifecycle, reducing the likelihood of security incidents in production. Another pitfall is the lack of visibility and monitoring of pipeline performance. Without proper monitoring, teams may struggle to identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies in their CI/CD processes. GitLab offers various monitoring and reporting tools that can provide insights into pipeline performance, job durations, and failure rates. Teams should leverage these tools to gain visibility into their pipelines and continuously improve their processes based on data-driven insights. Regularly reviewing pipeline performance metrics can help teams identify areas for optimization and ensure that their CI/CD process remain efficient. Finally, teams may encounter challenges related to collaboration and communication. As multiple developers contribute to the same project, misunderstandings or misalignments can arise regarding pipeline configurations or job responsibilities. To foster effective collaboration, teams should establish clear communication channels and documentation practices. Regularly reviewing the pipeline configuration as a team can also help ensure that everyone is aligned and aware of any changes. Encouraging team members to share knowledge and best practices can further enhance collaboration and lead to more effective CI/CD processes. In conclusion, While GitLab CI/CD offers powerful features for automating software delivery, teams must be mindful of common pitfalls that can hinder their success. By simplifying pipeline configurations, prioritizing testing, managing resources effectively, addressing security vulnerabilities, monitoring performance, and fostering collaboration, organizations can optimize their CI/CD processes and achieve faster, more reliable software delivery. Embracing best practices and continuously iterating on their pipelines will empower teams to leverage the full potential of GitLab CI/CD, ultimately leading to improved software quality and enhanced development efficiency. As the software development landscape continues to evolve, organizations that adopt these practices will be better positioned to meet the demands of their users and stay competitive in the market. Thank you for watching, and see you in next tutorial.